Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a deposit and get up to $2,500 of the first deposit bonus. To learn about it, go to More, Reward Center, and tap on First Deposit Bonus. Every SimpleFX member, new or existing, can receive a one-time bonus for each deposit on each live account. Slide down to see what size of bonus you'll get. As you can see, you can get up to $2,500 for every live account. Knowing that, let me show you how to make a deposit. First step is to create an account in the currency you want to deposit into. Tap on Account at the left top corner of the screen. Now, press the Add Live Account button. Type the desired symbol and press Confirm. Your new account is now added. Tap Add Funds. As you can see, you are now in the Add Funds section, which is another place you can make a deposit. Now, choose the payment method. And tap on Show the QR code. Use the QR code to add funds to your account. Now, let's see your new account balance. Go to the Home section, and then Account. Your funds, along with the first deposit bonus, have been added. Now you know how to make a deposit and get up to $2,500 of first deposit bonus. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day, and a good trade.